Hey guys, I'm just getting outside. It rained last night, probably about 1 a.m. it started raining, and the ground's been wet and stuff, and then it's sprinkled a little bit, but not much. But I didn't want to be out here and it wet and messing with the van, so I'm just now getting out here. But what I'm gonna do is I had ran out of ring terminals for my wires, so I got some ring terminals for my 10, 12 gauge and my 16, 14 gauge. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wire my box up. Not all of it, because I think I still got a couple of wires, but I'm gonna wire up everything that I do have ran back here, and we'll see how it goes. I gotta get my strippers, I always forget something. Okay. Alright guys, I'm not going to film the whole process, but let me show you what I'm doing, and then I'll show you after it's complete. Here, I've added my ground to the ground bar. These are your ground studs. Of course, this is where all your power goes, and you put your fuses in here. Here I've got my power wire connected here, and this one goes down to this USB. This one here is going to go down to this USB, and then I'm going to run my lights wires from over here through and down and connect them, and once I get that completed, I'll show you what I got done. There's my boy. For some reason, he don't act like he feels good today. If he don't feel good, better by tomorrow, I guess I'm gonna have to take him to the doctor, because he's not acting like Max. Alright guys, I'm back. I got that done. I'm glad to have that done and out the way. That should be done and finished. Hopefully I don't have to run anything else back here. The sunlight's going down at sunset, and it's bright back over that way. But it's been a good day. Got started late, like I said, but my brother, he wasn't able to help me today either because he's sick, got a cold or something, so he wasn't able to help, which yesterday we didn't work on the van either because he got some pavers to go around the swimming pool, so we put pavers around this pool and put some pea gravel down around it. It looks real good though. But like I said, it's been a good day. Max, he doesn't feel good. I don't know what's wrong with him. If he doesn't feel better by a day or so, I guess we'll have to take him to the vet, but I hope he feels better. Anyway, have Max in y'all's thoughts and prayers, and let me show y'all what I got done. Alright, this is what I got. Got all my wires hooked up. I got my USB, which is the one here above my bed. I got it wired up so that when I plug my power station in down here, I'll have power running to that. I have my, let's see, my puck lights are running here, and DC outlet, which is running from here, which is that one, and these are my grounds. All my grounds are down here. So that's that. And I have this is gonna run to a DC receptacle, which once we get this all closed in up here, that DC receptacle will go up there, and I'll show you guys that once that's done. And then I have my solar panel cable, and this here is what I'll plug into my power station that'll send power here to my fuse block. So all that's wired. All now I got to do is get that switch hooked up front to actually turn my lights on. This one's wired into those wires coming from the switch for this is my dimmer, and I got to get, like I said, I got to get that switch in up front. Got to go up there beside my AC outlet. What are you trying to tell me? What?